Hi. Hi.
What you doing? Sayla, what you doing? Are you getting in there and Grandma's stuff? Sayla? Sayla? What you doing? Little girl? Sayla? Sayla? You found a paper. What are you doing?
I don't know.
You don't know? Did you just say that? Yeah? What is it you're up to? Sayla? Oh, you found some more. Your sister probably hid those. Oh. You're digging into boxes that you shouldn't be digging into. Oh, you got some more. You keep finding more. Sayla? Oh. What are you doing?